Hello students, good afternoon. I hope all of you are fine. Today we are going to discuss our unit test 1 and 2 English 2 paper. Okay, so what I will do, I will just explain and I will select the answer and we will see which are the answer are correct. Okay, so let's see unit test 1 English 2. Nouns are known as. So what is the second name of noun? That is the naming words, right? So naming words is the correct answer. Let's see question number 2. A common noun is the blank space name of any person, place, animal or thing. So if you know the definition of common noun, you can give this answer. A common noun is the general name of an person, place, animal or a thing. So the answer will be general. Question 3. Noun are the name of blank space, people, place, things, or all of the above. So obviously nouns are name of people, place, and things, all three. So answer will be D, all of the above. Question number 4. How many categories are there in parts of speech? So can you tell me how many categories are there? So that is 8 categories are there, right? Pre-conjunction and conjunction and pronoun and nouns, all of this includes 8 types, right? So total is 8 categories are there. Select the common noun from the sentence given. He was the most studious of all students. So here, which is the common noun? He, most, or students? So students is the common noun, right? In general, we indicate student, correct? So the answer is student. Question number 6. A proper noun is the blank space name of any person, place, animal or thing. Previously we have seen a common noun. So common noun is for general, but proper noun is for specific or particular, right? So the answer is specific. Correct? Answer will be specific. Now let's see question number 7. How many proper nouns are there in the given sentence? Proper noun means indicates a particular place, person or thing, right? So Meena went to Surat last month. So here Meena, that is one person name, that is a particular name, right? So Meena is one. Then city name is a Surat. So that is also one. That is also proper noun. So there are 2 nouns are there, proper noun. That is the correct answer. A proper noun always begins with small letter, preposition, capital letter, none of them. Proper noun always begins with a capital letter, right? So that is a basic thing. If you remember, you can give the correct answer. Select the common nouns from the given naming word. Here we need to select the common noun. Hindustan Times, that is a proper noun. Mahesh, that is also proper noun. May, that is also proper noun. That is a month name, right? And school is the general. So school will be the correct answer. Now question number 10. What type of proper noun is England? So England is a proper noun, but what type? Place, people, thing, or books. So obviously England is one place, one country. So place is the correct answer. Places is the correct answer. Okay. Now here select the odd one is that of noun. So in question number 11 to 15. Question number 11 to 15. In that, what we need to do, we need to select the odd one, right? If there is a 3 common noun is given, then 1 proper noun will be there. So our answer will be proper noun, right? We just need to select the odd one. If 3 proper noun is given, we need to select the 1 common noun. Like that way, 3 are same, 1 is different. You see in the question number 11. Tree, garden, frog, and kitty. So you see here, tree, garden, and frog. All 3 are a common noun. So, and kitty is a proper noun. So correct answer will be kitty. Now you see question number 12. So in question number 12, Sunday, Surat, Asia, ice. So here you notice Sunday, that is proper noun. Surat, Asia, that is also a proper noun. So the remaining is ice. Ice is the common noun. So this is the correct answer. Now, because that is only the odd one. Question number 13. So you see here back, part, may, valley. So back, part and valley, all three are common noun and may is the proper noun. So may is the correct answer. Similarly, question number 14, US, India, countries, Nepal. So US, India and Nepal, all three are country name and that are the proper nouns. So correct answer will be country. That is the common noun. And question number 15, guava, anil, school, hill. So here guava, school and hill, all three are general noun. That is a common noun. Common words are there. So those are a common noun. So anil is the proper or particular person name. So anil is the odd one. So this way we have selected the odd one out. Now here question number 16 to 20. Select the proper noun from the given option. Here question number 16 to 20, there are options are given. So in that option, one is the proper noun and remaining will be different. So whichever is the proper noun, that we need to select. Okay. So let's see question number 16. Mount Everest, school, temple and garden. So the correct answer is Mount Everest, right? That is the proper noun. School, temple and garden are common noun, right? Correct. Okay. Let's see question number 17, which is here. Monday, June, Sheetal and Beth. So if you notice here, Monday is the proper noun, June also proper noun, and Sheetal also proper noun. So here we need to select the three options. All three are correct, and bag is the common noun, so that will not be get selected. So all three should be the correct answer. We need to select all three. Question number 18. In that Sachin Tendulkar, jar, plumber and lawyer. So jar, plumber and lawyer are the common noun. So Sachin Tendulkar is the proper noun. That is the answer. Question number 19. So if you see in question number 19, Gujarati, mango, rose and donkey. So mango, rose, donkey are common noun. Gujarati is the proper noun. So that is the correct answer. And in question number 20, so cinema, theater and mall. So cinema, theater and mall are common noun and Dangal is one movie name, that is a proper noun. So the answer is the Dangal. Okay. Now let's see question number 21. What it is? That select the categories of the part of speech from the given option. So we have seen there is total 8 categories are there, and in that which are the categories given here? Pronouns, adverb and preposition. Are these three are categories of parts of speech? Yes. Pronouns, adverb and preposition, all three are there. So answer will be all of the above because it contains all three. Now let's see question number 22. Select the proper noun from the given sentence. Akbar the Great, Emperor of India, was a secular person. Okay. So here Akbar the Great, is it what we need to do here? We need to select the correct answer for the proper noun. Which is the proper noun? Akbar, India, person, and Akbar and India both. So Akbar also proper noun, India also proper noun. So answer will be Akbar and India both. Okay. Now question number 23, that is select the common noun from the given sentence. The crow was very big. So we need to select the common noun. So answer will be crow because crow is the common noun. So answer will be crow. Now question number 24. What it is says that what type of noun are January, Yamuna and Mumbai? What type or what kind of noun? So common noun, proper noun, pronoun or conjunction. So Yamuna, January and Mumbai, all three are written in a capital letter and all of three are proper noun. So answer is the proper noun. And the last question is state, book and soldier are what kind of noun? State, book and soldier. All three are what kind of noun? So all three are common noun, right? All three are common noun. So the answer is common noun. Here we have selected our all the answers. Let's see result. Okay. So let's see the score. Yes, I got 25 out of 25. You see, it means my all answer are correct. Right? So let's see the again solution. Nouns are always known as naming word. Common noun is the general name of any person, place, animal or thing. Noun are the name of people, place and things. How many categories are there in the parts of speech? There are 8 categories. Select the common noun. He was the most studious of all students. That is, students is the common noun. Question number 6. A proper noun is the blank space name of any person, place or animal. That is a specific name of any person, place or animal or thing. How many proper nouns are there in a given sentence? That is, Meena went to Surat last month. So Meena and Surat both are the proper nouns. So 2 proper nouns are there. Proper noun always begins with capital letter. Select the common nouns from the given naming word. So Hindustan Times, Mahesh, May and school. So common noun is the school. Question number 10. What type of proper noun is England? England is the place. Proper noun of place. So that is the correct answer. Here question number 15 to 11 to 15. What we need to do? Odd one we need to select. So first one, kitty is the proper noun. Remaining 3 are common noun. In 12 also remaining 3 are proper noun and ice is the remaining 3 are a proper noun and ice is the common noun. And question number 13. So apart from May, back, part and valley are the common noun and May is the proper noun. So that is the correct answer. And US, India, countries, Nepal. So countries is the common noun. Remaining are proper nouns. So countries is the correct answer. That is the odd one. In question number 15, Anil is the odd one, right? After that, question number 16 to 20, we need to select the proper noun. So as we keep in our mind, proper noun always begins with a capital letter. So in question number 16, Mount Everest is the correct answer. In question number 17, Monday, June and Sheetal, all three are the correct answer. Question number 18, Sachin Tendulkar, and question number 19, Gujarati, and in the last, question number 20, Dangal. All of these are a proper noun, which is our answer. Okay. And question number 21, select the categories of parts of a speech from the given option, that is pronouns, adverb, preposition. All three are the part of a speech. So these are our correct answer. Okay. Now let's see question number 22. So in that, what we need to do? Akbar, the great emperor of India, was a secular person. So in this, we need to select the pronouns, proper nouns. So which are the proper nouns? Akbar and India, both are the proper nouns. So answer D is the correct. Question number 23. The common noun from the given sentence. The crow was very big. So here crow is the common noun. In question number 24, what type of noun are January, Yamuna and Mumbai? Those are the proper noun. And in the last, state, book and soldier are what kind of nouns? So all are common noun. Here we have finished our unit test 1. Correct? So let's see our unit test 2. Fine? Okay. Here is our unit test 2. Right? English 2. So let's discuss our question 1, which is a singular noun refers to blank space person, place, animal or thing. singular noun. Singular noun means one person place, one person, one place, one animal or one thing, right? If plural noun is there, more than one person, place, animal or thing. So the correct answer is the one. Okay. Now let's see question number 2. Noun that refers to females are said to be of the female noun. What we call? That is a feminine gender. So answer is the feminine gender. Right, female bird. So feminine. And question number 3. What it says? Select the proper pronouns from the option for the given sentence. 4 of us are going trekking over the weekend. Okay. So we 4 are going to on trekking. So what is the pronouns are here? Which is the pronoun? Over, us, 4 or going. So 4 of us. So us is the pronoun, right? For we, pronoun is the us, right? So us is the pronoun. Correct answer is us. Question number 4. Select the correct sentence from the given option. Here 4 sentences are given. What are 4 sentences are given? So which one is the correct? Here you notice these are given in a possessive nouns. Which form is given? Possessive noun. So when possessive noun is there, it means we will write with the apostrophe. So the sound of bird chirps in delightful. So bird, as if ending it with s, then we will simply add apostrophe. If double s is, if s is not there, then we will write with the apostrophe and s. So first one is the correct. Second one, Jessica. That is wrong. Jessica apostrophe and then s should come. So that is wrong. With dog says, that is also wrong. If s is there, and then we will just write apostrophe, not again s. Charles. Charles also will come L-E-S, then apostrophe is the correct one. So the answer is A is the correct one. And now question 5, that is select the verb from the given option of word. So here we need to select the verb. And what is verb? Verb which shows the action. Elders. Elders means bigger, right? Your elder brother. So brother which is elder than you. Ribbon. That is also one thing. Farmer. Farmer is the person or ribbon is the thing. So prepare. Prepare is that you are doing action or you are preparing something. So prepare is the verb which shows the action. So that is the answer. Now select the correct plural form for the word sheep. So sheep plural form and singular form are same. So the correct answer is a sheep only. Right? Now question number 7. What it says that find the naming word from the given sentence. The lady was wearing a beautiful dress. So here we need to find naming words. Naming word means noun. So whichever the noun, that is the answer. Lady, dress and wearing. So lady and dress. Both are the noun or naming word. So the answer is both lady and dress. Now question number 8. Which is the correct option for the possessive noun? So for possessive noun, which is the correct option? So here the advice of the doctor's advice, the laptop of Charu's laptop, the nest of the bird's nest, the web of the spider's web. So if you notice here in the question option 2, Charu's, that is wrong, right? S C H A R U apostrophe and S should come. Here S after that apostrophe is wrong. So that is wrong. Option 2 is wrong. In third option, birds are given. So here B-I-R-D-S, then after that apostrophe should come, right? If you notice here, this apostrophe is there, that should come here, not before. So this is also wrong. Here apostrophe should come here, not after. So this is also wrong. Here also same, apostrophe should come here. So this is also wrong. So the correct answer is this one, right? Doctor, then apostrophe and this. Because it is not ending with S, so apostrophe with S we will write. So the correct answer is this one. Now question number 9. Select the incorrect word from the given sentence. Here one incorrect word is given. I is taking dance classes this day. So here you see, observe here, I is given. So you should remember that I am is the correct one, right? So I am should come. So the answer is the wrong one. Right? Understood? Okay. Let's see our question number 10. Select the neuter gender noun from the given option. Neuter gender means which is non-living thing. That is the neuter gender. Vixen. That is the female of fox. Mare. That is the female of horse. Park. That is the non-living thing. Knee. That is also a living thing. So the answer is the park, which is the non-living. So this is the neuter gender noun. Now question number 11. Select the correct option to fill in the blank. You need to select the correct one. The student's blank space in the auditorium. Where student we can go in auditorium. What we call it is move, told, ordered or assembled. So assembled, right? The students assembled in the auditorium. That is the correct answer. Now question 12. Select the singular noun from the given option. Which is the singular noun? Man loves my toy. So if you notice here, which is the singular noun? That is the toy. Toy is the singular noun. Apart from all are plural nouns. Question number 13. Fill in the box with a noun from the option. I love to play blank space with my friends. So here, what you can play? A game, right? Food you cannot play. Uniform you cannot play. Museum you cannot play. Only the basketball game you can play. So that is the proper noun, correct noun which you can write here. So basketball is the correct answer. Question number 14. Pronouns are words that are used in a place of noun. Right? So is it correct or wrong? Pronouns where we use in the place of noun. So that is true. So answer is true. Okay. Answer will be true. Now let's see question number 15. Which is used as a singular pronoun or a plural pronoun. One noun is a pronoun is there which we can use as a singular and plural both. So the correct answer is you. You we can use as a both. Right? So question number 16 now we will see. Noun that refers to male are said to be of the, for female it is a feminine or for male is the masculine gender. That is the correct answer. Now noun that shows the ownership. Ownership means possessiveness. So correct answer is the possessive noun. So possessive noun is the correct answer. Okay. Now let's see question number 18. So what it says, rewrite the sentence correctly. I had a delicious tomato sandwiches for the breakfast. So we need to rewrite. You see here, so in a different way, this is written in wrong. We need to write with the correct one. So which is the correct? That we are going to make it singular, right? Sandwiches are, it is written in a plural. We are going to write in a singular. So which is the correct? I had a delicious tomato sandwiches for the breakfast. That is the correct answer. Okay. The correct answer is I had a delicious tomato sandwich for the breakfast. That is the correct answer. Okay. Have you got it? Yes. Let's see further. Here A is there. When we will see, you will get this answer. Here I had a delicious will come correct answer. Select the proper noun. For here, this is the answer. Select the proper noun. You can see here, I had delicious tomato sandwich for breakfast. That is the correct answer. This is from exercise. If you remember it, you can give this answer. Question number 19. Select a plural noun from the word mouse. So plural noun for mouse is mice. Mice is the correct answer. Question number 20. Select the singular pronoun from the given option. Singular pronouns. I, you, it, all of them. So the answer is all of the above. I, you, and it all are the singular pronouns. Question number 21. Select the verb from the given option of words. Here we need to select the verb. Again, so verb means showing action. Short, burn, sing, and tree. So here sing shows the action, which you can song you can sing. So sing is the correct answer because it is the verb which shows the action. Here true and false. We don't use is, them, and are as a helping word. That is true or false. I think that is a false, right? We can use is, them, are as a helping word. So this is a false. Question number 23. Fill in the blank with appropriate pronouns. We need to fill in the blank with the appropriate pronoun. Aditi read a book, blank space, liked it a lot. So here pronoun we need to use. So Aditi is the feminine and pronoun will be she. She liked it a lot. She is the correct answer. Question number 24. Select the odd one from the given option of noun. So we need to select the odd one. Uncle, river, countries, Nepal. So uncle, river and countries are the common nouns. So proper noun is the Nepal. So Nepal is the correct answer. And the last one is the rewrite the group of words using the apostrophe, the order of the judge. You need to rewrite it. Which one is the correct? So judge is E is there and it is not ending with S. So we need to write S and apostrophe, right? So the judge, then apostrophe, then S and order. So the correct answer is this way. The judge is order. That is the right answer. So let's see the score now. Okay. So here you can see my score came is 25 out of 25. It means I have selected all the correct answer. So let's see again what are the answer is there. Singular noun refers to one person, one place, one animal or one thing. Noun that refer to females, that is feminine gender. Here we need to select the pronoun. So 4 of us are going trekking over the weekend. So us is the pronoun. Select the correct sentence from the given option. The sound of birds here is delightful. That is the correct answer. Select the verb from the given option. The prepare is the verb here, which shows the action. Question number 6. Select the correct plural form for the word sheep. So sheep is the correct answer because singular and plural both are same for it. Finding naming word from the given sentence. The lady was wearing a beautiful dress. So the both lady and dress both are naming words or noun. So that is the answer. Which is the correct option for the possessive noun? The advice of the doctor. And also we can write in a possessive noun that the doctor's advice. Remaining are has some error. So which are wrong. Question number 9. That I is taking dance classes these days. So here one word is wrong, which is. Is the wrong. It has to be I am taking. Question number 10. That select the neuter gender from given option. The park is the neuter gender. Okay. Then we count for the select the correct option for the fill in the blanks. So the students assemble in the auditorium. Question number 12. Select a singular noun from the given option. So toy is the singular noun. Fill in the box with the proper with noun from the option. I love to play basketball with my friends. Pronouns are words that are used in a place of noun. So that is correct. So it is a true. Which is used as a singular pronoun or plural pronoun. So you can be used as a singular and plural both pronoun. Okay. Noun that refers to male, that we call it as a masculine gender. Nouns that show ownership are called possessive nouns, right? Okay. Let's see question number 18. That is rewrite the sentences correctly. So here we need to rewrite. I had a delicious tomato sandwiches for breakfast. So the correct answer is I had a delicious tomato sandwich for the breakfast because it will be in a singular form. Let's see question number 19. Select a plural noun from the word mouse. Mouse plural noun is a mice. That is the answer. Question number 20. Select the singular pronoun from the given option. So I, you and it, all three are the singular pronouns. So answer is all of the above because it has to be all three. Select the verb from the given option of words, that is sing, burn, chart, street. So sing is the action verb. So that is the correct answer. We do not use is MR as a helping. That is wrong because we are using is MR as a helping verb. Now question number 23. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate pronoun. So Aditi read a book. Blank space liked it lot. So what is the pronoun for Aditi? So Aditi is a female, and for female we use a she as the pronoun. So she is the correct answer. Question number 24. Select the odd one from the given option of noun. So Nepal is the odd one because it is a proper noun. Remaining are common nouns. And question number 24, that is the last. Rewrite the group of words using apostrophe. That is, we need to write in a possessive form. So the order of the judge will become the judge's order. Okay. So here we have finished our English 2 unit test 1 and unit test 2 paper solution. Right. So in the next class we will see our English 2 unit. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. We will see you in our next class. Okay. Thank you.